In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Mr. Jones by the Counting Crows off of their album August and Everything After. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today we have Mr. Jones by the Counting Crows. Comment down below if Mr. Jones was your favorite 90s song. And let's dive in. The main guitar part in Mr. Jones is going to be a repetitive chord structure that goes like this. We're going to start with an A minor chord, then we're going to jump to an F chord. Okay, the easiest F I think to jump to there is the one where we're going to have 3rd fret 5th string, 3rd fret 4th string, 2nd fret 3rd string, and then 1st fret 2nd string. Okay, you could also jump to the F bar chord there, but it is a more difficult transition, I think, for most people. So I'm going to encourage you to do the A minor and then jump to this version of F. Then we go to the D minor chord and then to a G, or the big G in this case, where the ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Okay, so that chord structure. Okay, and you can leave your index finger off of that G. Turns it into a G power chord. I think you can hear it sometimes in the song and sometimes not. So it's your preference there. And then the second time through that structure will sound like this. Then we'll do A minor to the F again. And now we'll skip the D minor and go right into the big G. So when we put that whole sequence together, it'll sound like this. We have the A minor, jump to the F, to the D minor, to the G, A minor, F, G. And the right hand rhythm is going to be playing something like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Let's add the chords. And there are some nuances to this chord structure. It's not going to be played with that right hand rhythm every single time. Sometimes the chords are changing on the upbeat and sometimes they're changing on the downbeat. So listen carefully to the song, but really this song's about feel. Change on the upbeat there, change on the downbeat there, then the upbeat, downbeat. So you can kind of vary the rhythms that you're using. But most of the time, I would say that he's changing on the upbeat. So that chord progression is going to be used for the intro and throughout the verse. And then we move into the chorus. The chorus structure is going to be this. C chord, back to that F that we were using in the verse, and then right to the G, the big G. So that's C chord, F chord, big G chord. And the right hand rhythm is going to stay pretty much the same. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And again, you can vary when you're transitioning between chords occasionally. They're mostly transitioning on the upbeat, but you can transition on the downbeat in some instances. And again, this song is largely about feel. Listen carefully to what he's doing on the record, but also try and feel the pulse of the song and transition accordingly. There's only one other section of this song that we need to focus on, and that's the breakdown. The breakdown is going to start on that A minor, and then it'll move to the F. In this case, I do hear that open E string ringing out. So it's actually an F major 7 here. Then it goes back to A minor, and then it jumps to big G. And the right hand is just going to be ringing out those chords. So it's just going to be ringing out whole notes. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And coming out of the breakdown, we go into one final chorus. Did Adam Duritz have the best hairstyle of the 90s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.